guys, this is Kelly, and if you don't already know me, I'm all about beauty, health and wellness, and I love to share my tips and advice based on my personal usage of products. Today, I am super excited to be here with the personal care expert Cindy from NU SKIN and talk about my favorite products in my beauty routine. So let's jump right into it! I've been using my hands to cleanse my face all this while, and how is using the ageLOC LumiSpa IO device better than cleansing with my own hands?
You can actually use your hands to wash your face, and but come think of it, you're just cleansing the surface of your skin and it doesn't really cleanse the inner skin part. So this is why customers who actually cleanse their face with their hands and after that they decided to do a cleanse test. That's where they actually decided to use the makeup remover and do one swatch test. But you realize that there will still be extra dirt, oil and makeup. So there are plenty of bacteria on our hands also, but what makes our LumiSpa IO that special is that the treatment heads contain antimicrobial silver. So with this design, it is more hygienic than our hands and other cleansing devices.
I do feel like by using the ageLOC LumiSpa IO device, my face feels cleaner and smoother, and I can never skip this cleansing step without using the device anymore, and especially after wearing a full face of makeup the entire day. Before owning the ageLOC LumiSpa IO device myself, I tried many other brands and it's not as promising. So this provides me with a whole new deep cleansing experience, and it does show significant results like less visible pores and also reduced blemishes over time.
So unlike other cleansing devices in the market, ageLOC LumiSpa IO device treatment heads are made of silicone, which is more soft and non-abrasive. Its micropulse oscillation technology helps to deeply cleanse away the oil, dirt and makeup without irritating the skin while reducing the appearance of pores. Of course, last but not least, it is microbiome friendly that actually helps to maintain the skin pH and preserve its natural moisture barrier regardless of age or your skin type. As for a result, you'll achieve a more brighter, healthier and a more youthful looking skin as little as 2 weeks.
Just wondering if I'm able to use my own acne cleanser with the ageLOC LumiSpa IO device, as at times I do have breakouts. Would that work too?
That's a really good question. So it is still recommended to use ageLOC LumiSpa IO device with the activating cleanser, because the activating cleanser is specially formulated to enable the precise cushioning, cleansing and interaction with your skin. So optimizing the effectiveness of the LumiSpa proprietary treatment head action. So perhaps you would like to try our activating blemish prone cleanser because the cleanser itself is also made low foam and ensure gentle connection between the treatment head and the skin. Fun fact, do you know that ageLOC LumiSpa IO comes with 3 different types of treatment heads? Okay, so the first one we have is the normal head, where it actually designed for customers who have normal and combination skin. The second one would be our gentle treatment head that is designed for customers who have sensitive and blemish prone skin. Last but not least, we also have firm head, which is designed for customers who have oily skin.
As a gym enthusiast, I'm always rushing for time in between workout and also meeting my scheduled appointments. And I don't really have the time to maintain good skin hygiene, especially after a sweaty workout. How can I shorten my cleansing routine?
Perhaps you would like to try downloading our new SkinVera app, where you can experience a bunch of skincare and cleansing functions, such as intelligent coaching, personalized regime and selfie timeline to track your progress, of course. Yeah. You can now also customize your own treatment to your own convenience. So be it rushing for time in the morning or wanting an extended pampering session, you can set and save your favorite treatment to the device and select a designated color to display on your LumiSpa IO device for the selected treatments. So Kelly, just really curious over here, alright? So just wondering, you have such a good complexion. So as a busy person, how do you maintain such flawless complexion apart from using our LumiSpa IO? Would you mind telling us your secret?
To maintain my healthy complexion, I've been keeping track of my diet, and eating clean, consuming my greens really help. Not forgetting about my hydration. Take my advice, hydration is key. 2 liters is my goal every day and I'm still working on it. For my face, thorough cleaning is an essential procedure before I end my day.
Well, cleansing and skincare is just one part of maintaining healthier skin, but keeping yourself hydrated daily is the most important part. as your body runs by 50 to 65% of water. So if you don't consume enough water, your skin can not only become dry and itchy, but also dull, uneven and wrinkled. Yeah, so stress can also dry out your skin even more. And what does this lead to? Premature aging. Yeah, so where you may start seeing your fine lines and crow lines. Okay, so from time to time, I will consume Collagen Plus to boost collagen production in my skin to help me look more youthful. But of course, in order to get the best result, it is recommended to take Collagen Plus on a daily basis. It is very easy to prep actually. So simply just mix 1 sachet of Inner Focus Collagen Peptide into 240 ml of water and enjoy it once daily. So kindly be assured that there is no side effects or other reaction after you stop taking Inner Focus Collagen Plus.
I see. Ever since I started using the ageLOC LumiSpa IO device and the Collagen Plus, my skin has been looking healthier. Do both products complement each other?
So when you pair both ageLOC LumiSpa IO and Collagen Plus, according to the 4 months clinical study, taking Inner Focus Collagen Plus actually helps to prepare the skin for a better complementary benefits and skin health, nearly doubling the visible texture benefits of an ageLOC LumiSpa IO regime alone. Through the complementary benefits of ageLOC LumiSpa IO and Inner Focus Collagen Plus, you will experience improved radiance, skin texture, and overall appearance. So of course, you can now achieve a better result when paired together.
So guys, when the best minds of wellness and skincare come together, you get beauty from outside in and inside out. By pairing the ageLOC LumiSpa IO and Collagen Plus, you achieve better results all together. Don't forget to try out this amazing product pairing for yourself. Shop here to get your very own ageLOC LumiSpa IO and Collagen Plus. Better together pairing today, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's session. And that brings us to the end of our session. Thank you, Cindy, for having me in your session, and thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys. Bye-bye!